Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on events in a sequence. Sequencing is a very important topic and students can be helped to understand how to place events in order. Words such as the following are very useful in helping students to grasp this topic. First, second, next, after, before, last. So some simple examples, and I'm sure you can think of many others. What is the first day of the weekend? What is the second day of the weekend? Next example. What is the first day of the school week? What is the last day of the school week? Next example. What is the next day after Thursday? So there are just a few questions involving sequencing, and you can give students many other examples. Now here are some interesting examples with pictures where the students have to place the events in order. So the next example, the following shows 4 stages of preparing a sandwich ready for eating. Find the correct order by placing the numbers 1 to 4 in the correct boxes. So I'll just do this first one to give you an example of what's required. You can see, for example, that just having the 2 slices ready would be the first one. Okay. Secondly, buttering the slices, that's obviously the second step. Then you have the sandwich ready to go and to enjoy. And look at that, we've already taken 1 bite. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's basically placing those events in order. The next example, write the numbers from 1 to 4 in the boxes to show the order of planting. So we start off with seeds and we're planting some flowers. So they just write 1 to 4 in the correct order. Here we have the life cycle of a butterfly where they have to write the numbers 1 to 3, and you can help them through that. And finally we have preparing toast, and they have to write the numbers 1 to 4 in order. So they're just very simple examples to give you an idea of what you can give students to help them with sequencing and to put events in order.